Select one underlined word or phrase that needs to be changed to make the sentence correct, or indicate that none of the underlined parts are an error. In her 6 months on the Committee of Foreign Affairs, Secretary Miller oversaw the Colombian and Argentine subcommittees, where she helped pass legislation on drug and human trafficking, money laundering, and international terrorism. Let's go through each choice to see if there's a mistake that needs correcting. B. Committee of Foreign Affairs, Secretary Miller. This sentence is too busy to be easily understood. We see that it starts off with the time phrase, in her 6 months on the Committee of Foreign Affairs. Time phrases, especially longer ones, need to be separated from the rest of the sentence with a comma. For example, in the summer of 2014, I went to Berlin. Here, however, we see a time phrase, in her 6 months on the Committee of Foreign Affairs, but we don't see a comma separating this time phrase from the rest of the sentence. In order to make this phrase correct, we need to add a comma between affairs and Secretary Miller. Because this phrase includes an error, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at our other choices just to be sure. C. Oversaw the subcommittees where she helped. There are no issues with this phrase. The use of where is appropriate as we're discussing the place she helped, and the comma is necessary as without it, this would be a run-on sentence. As all is in order here, we can mark this choice as incorrect. And D. And international terrorism. Again, we don't see any grammatical problems here. It follows the same structure as the rest of the list, drug and human trafficking and money laundering, and everything is spelled correctly. This being the case, we can mark this choice off and mark our original answer, choice B, as our final answer.